so now we have this piece of cloth spread in front of us here. And we notice that the cloth is double. Usually when you buy a cloth that is 60 inches in width, the width of the cloth is 60 inches. So you buy as many yards as you want. In this case, we buy a lot because we want to sew a lot of it, right? So we just separate this piece. Now it has been folded in half. So therefore, this is 30 inches lying on top of 30 inches. It's very important to pay attention to how you're going to cut your whatever outfit you're cutting out of a piece of cloth. You have to look at the way in which the lines or threads run on the cloth. This is very important. This means that you can get your material to stretch in different directions depending on how you cut your outfit on this cloth. In this case, we don't want any unnecessary stretching. So we want to cut on the cloth in a way that our clothes will remain just the way we intend it to be. So we look here, this is called a self-edge. This edge here has been made by the machine or whatever was weaving this cloth. It's called a self-edge. So it's not going to ravel along this edge. Where we cut is going to ravel because we just cut across the cloth. The self-edge. So what we do, usually we cut outfits along or parallel to or in the same direction that your self-edge is running. So therefore this outfit will be cut top skirt. You're going or you're following the direction of the self-edge. Okay? So the top part of our dress, our outfit, is going to be cut shoulder this way, length running this way, and we cut it off as long as we want the length of the top. Okay, so you're going to understand as we go along. Now, this top is made of two parts, the back and the front. But this uniform has to be doubled. The back and the front has to actually be two pieces each. So you must have two pieces at the front and two pieces at the back. So it's really 4 pieces of cloth that we have to cut for that top part. The front part has to be doubled, the back has to be doubled. 4 pieces. And since the front and the back will have basically the same shoulder measurements, the same length, we're going to cut all 4 together, then we'll separate it into back and front pieces. So we're going to fold this cloth again. So what's the self-edge? Let's leave the self-edge out. We usually don't want that in because it would make the stitching a little bulky. So we'll leave out the self-edge. Right? So when we fold it like this, we now have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we cut in the back and the front for this outfit together. Not all the time that is possible, but for this outfit, we will cut the back and the front. All 4 pieces together. So we want to pin them now. And then I'm going to put some pins here just to keep it in place. And then we're going to plot our points.